Work instructions in Word, Excel, and PDF. Built up over years and difficult to maintain, turn your documents into interactive work instructions in minutes. The AI Document Automator by Operations1. Use your existing files as the foundation. Upload your document to Operations1 and click Generate. Your document is analyzed by AI and digitally optimized. Adjust details with drag and drop. Add images, videos, or interactions in seconds. With Convert Interaction Type, you can adapt interactions with just a few clicks. Review the design and functionality of your digital instruction in the preview, and publish your work instruction. Make your process knowledge easily available digitally with the Operations1 AI Document Automator.